So now we are preparing chicken daddojanam. So first take a pan, add chicken, add little water, add little salt, keep the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Now cook in low flame for 10 minutes. Now remove to a bowl. Let them cool down. Jeera, mustard seeds, chana dal, urud dal, peppercorns. Add the red chilies. Now add shredded chicken. Add curry leaf. Add red chili powder, dhania powder, so cook in low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now the chicken is perfectly fried. Let's off the flame and let it cool completely. This is completely cooled and cooked rice. Now add curd. Add sufficient salt, roasted jeera powder, green chilies, finely chopped onions. Now add fried chicken.